Can we talk about why you need a lawyer in immigration? I mean, I could tell you why you need a lawyer in criminal as well, but we're just going to focus today on immigration. Why should you hire a lawyer? You need to hire a lawyer because we have the expertise to be able to handle your case. We have the expertise to be able to get your case approved. We have the expertise to be able to get you out of deportation proceedings. A lot of people want to think that, oh, I don't want to pay the lawyer all this money. I'm going to go to a consultant. I'm going to go to a notario to fill out my paperwork because that's all it is. It's just filling out paperwork and sending in evidence. Well, you know what? That's not all it is. And in this day and age, if you are serious about getting an immigration benefit, if you are serious about your application actually being approved, then you need to reach out to a lawyer to do that for you. And yes, you need to pay the fee, their cost, their pricing, their hourly billing, their flat fee, whatever they're charging you, you need to pay it so that they can help you through this process. It's not about filling out applications. It's not about, oh, well, I can just go online because USCIS is giving me the information for the evidence that I need. Because right now, you know what's happening with applications that are not filled out properly, or with applications that do not have the proper evidence that's needed. They're not even looking at them, basically. They're looking at them and they are issuing notice of intent to denies, or they are just flat out denying them. And then you are going to receive a notice to appear in immigration court, an NTA. And with that NTA, once you get to immigration court, understand that you cannot do that process on your own. I mean, you can, obviously. The judge will tell you, though, go get an attorney. Because guess what? You now have to figure out how you're going to get out of removal proceedings and continue to process your application that I'm sure you were probably, met all the requirements because that's why you did it in the first place, right? So you guys don't take that chance. If you are serious about your immigration status, if you are really serious about getting an approval, if you are serious about living your life here in the United States and not being separated from your family, then reach out to an immigration attorney. And you guys know you'll hear this from me every single day. I don't care if you call me. I don't care if you call somebody else that knows what they're doing, an immigration attorney that actually knows what they're doing. But you guys call somebody, okay? Call somebody, let them help you through this process so that at the end of the day, you can have an approval, and then you don't have to worry about the stress and the overthinking and trying to figure things out on your own, because you're not alone in this. But you have to be willing to pay a lawyer to help you through this. If you're serious, then that's what you're going to want to do. So call a lawyer.